What's up, guys? Today I have a niche for you. This is activity books for kids ages 3 to 5 for traveling. So this is the activity books for kids ages 3 to 5 for traveling, and it only has 758 results, so it's really good. And stay tuned for the giveaway at the end of this video. So this is traveling. So this is an activity book. As you can see, let me show you how much people are making here. So I'm just going to sort this out. I'm using KDP here. So 68,000, can you believe that? 68,000, 19,000, 5,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. So people are making really good money off this. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So 4,000, 4,000, another 4,000. So people are having a blast with this niche. So as you can see, this is independently published on KDP. So this is an airplane activity book. It uses this keyword as a main keyword. So that's why it's ranking on first page. So there are many published books. Basically, you can create any activity book around here, or the coloring book, or the mazes, or anything that you like, but use this particular keyword to rank first on this page. So let me show you how you can get the interiors for free. So I go to Creative Fabrica. I'm just going to paste my keyword, and as you can see, mostly there are travel coloring pages. So you just, for coloring pages here, not for the mazes, but for the coloring pages here. So people are, or basically kids can do anything on the airplane, or as they travel on the long bus ride. By the way, you can download all of this for free. I'll put the link in the description box below. So just like this, people are making really good money. You can download any of this and publish as your own. Yes. So I go to the Amazon keyword tools to check out my titles and subtitle for keywords. As you can see, I paste in my keyword and press search. So this is unfortunately it only has one result, but let me show you something. I'm just gonna delete this, only to 3 to 5. So 54 keywords found. You can use any of this for your title and subtitle of your book. So you can use this for your title 7 keywords tool. You can do any of this. For the giveaway, go to kdptips.com. That is kdptips.com to download your free bestsellers guide. That's my giveaway. Have fun with that. I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye bye.